In today's video, I will walk you through how to download a REPL as a zip file. If you want to download a copy of your REPL as a compressed zip file, Replit gives you two different ways to do it. You can either download it directly from your dashboard without opening the project, or you can download it while you're already working inside the workspace. Both methods let you save your entire project directory as a zip file. We'll start with the fastest method. Go to your Replit home or My Replit's dashboard. Once you're there, find the project that you want to download. Locate the project card or row for that REPL, then look to the right side of the project title for the three horizontal dots icon. Click that icon to open the context menu. From the drop-down menu, select Download as Zip. As soon as you click this option, your browser will begin downloading a compiled zip archive of your project. The downloaded archive includes your project folders, scripts, and configuration assets, so you can keep a local copy of the entire project. If you already have the project open and you're working inside the editor, you don't need to return to the dashboard. You can download the same project directly from the workspace. With the workspace open, look at the Files sidebar on the left side of the screen. At the top of the Files panel, find the three vertical dots icon located in the panel header next to the New File and New Folder icons. Click the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the available options, select Download as Zip. After you choose this option, Replit will prepare your project and your browser will begin downloading the zip file. No matter which method you use, the result is the same. You'll receive a compressed zip archive containing your project directory. There are a couple of things to keep in mind about the downloaded zip file. The archive includes hidden system files such as .replit and replit.nix along with the rest of your project files. If you plan on running your code locally on your computer, you can typically ignore these Replit-specific configuration files or delete them if you don't need them. Also, if your project contains very large files, the download may take a little longer to begin. For example, if your Replit includes a large SQLite database or heavy media files such as video or audio clips, Replit may need a few extra seconds to compress everything before the download starts. Once the archive has been prepared, your browser will continue with the download automatically. That's all there is to downloading a Replit as a zip file. Thank you for watching.